So you want to make a snowbeard? Let's go. Boom! Big fat heel side edge, swift and quick. Now you're starting to form that base of your snowbeard. Ah, sick fresh powder. You can also make a nice toe side edge, slice to splash your beard too. Just like so. The most effective method, slash that heel side edge and get barreled by your own powder splash. Congrats! You've now completed your snowbeard training. Go get snowbeardy. Oh, and here are some fancy charts via the Ski Tracks app. Totally unhelpful to make a snowbeard, but very fun to check out your stats.